Hey guys, this is a quick video about my Reishi and lion's mane grow kits. These are indoor grows. I've got these from Nicholas Garden, and I didn't really follow instructions. I just simply pulled the bag out. The Reishi is coming along really nicely. Got a few antlers here, about 4 or 5 pieces. Now these have been growing for quite a while. I think this has been probably a month and a half. There's one stuck up there in the little corner. Kind of stuck in the bag. I'm going to soon cut open the top of this bag because I want to give them a chance to form some conchs. Let's see what happens. Probably gonna use this bag as a humidity tent and just like take it off for a few hours a day so they really get some fresh air. There's also one growing here in the plastic corner. See, all tangled up. Yeah, and this one's probably contaminated right down there. There's been flies, little fruit flies just spawning out of that nasty nasty corner. And it's because I had it open on multiple places and I scotched it back up. Kind of a beginner mistake, but Reishi is so resilient. It's not called the mushroom of immortality or for nothing. It's just fighting the contam like if it was nothing. It would still deserve a post on the contam fam subreddit, but I mean, look at these boys. They're absolutely beautiful. And this one's already popping out of the bag. You can see it on the indent. That's why probably today or tomorrow I'm going to cut this bag open, remove the top about from here all the way around, and then yeah, here we've got the lion's mane. Same issue with this one, it also got contaminated. This is actually the second flush, but now on the second flush it's taking forever to grow, and I'm guessing it's because of this here contam. But still nonetheless really nice little puffball. Yeah, and it's kind of like this. It's supposed to like get a bit yellow, but not like this. This is like because of this stuff, the dark stuff. It's just taking over, so probably gonna harvest this one in a day or two because it's not growing anymore. It's like completely, yeah, frozen in time. The first flush was on top. It was a top flush. Then after that I covered this, took a bit of the mycelium off, and actually spawned that on some, transferred that on some trees outside, and they're actually colonizing really nicely. Then I covered this, cut the hole here because this is where it was kind of growing the most, and then it made a new nice second flush. And yeah, it looks great, but like I said, it's getting contaminated, so too bad. As soon as I harvest this one, I'll put the rest also outside. Also try and colonize some trees, even though it's still a bit warm outside. Temperature also hasn't been, it's been a bit too high for it to grow correctly. But the Reishi's loving it. So yeah, it's Reishi from Necros Garden and Lion's Mane. If I do it over again, I definitely wouldn't open up because I made some holes on each side. I just would, for the Reishi, I just cut a corner off here so I can spray inside, and I'd probably leave it like that for the first month or two instead of opening as much and using the spray bottle just to spray in that filling. And for the lion's mane, I'd probably Yeah, I'd probably also just cut open less of the bag and use the humidity tent. This is a made up one I just used out of a plastic bag I had standing around. So I'd probably use this one a lot quicker because the first few days I didn't use any at all. But yeah, that's what I would do to improve the grow. Other than that, they're even with these mistakes, they're still growing nicely. So that's a win. And these just look beautiful. Textbook, perfect color. Trying to get a focus. And there we go. And yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6 in the corner. 6 antlers. And there are a few like popping up as well, so maybe even more than 6. Like here too, little balls. Yeah, that's that. I'm going to spray these bad boys, give them some humidity, and if anybody wants an update, I'll make one. Even if it's just a single person commenting, feel free, I'll make one. If not, well, maybe I'll still make one. Bye bye, guys.